Wi-Fi woes on your Redmi Note 14 Pro? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, restart your phone and router. This quick fix often solves connectivity issues. Next, check your Wi-Fi settings. Ensure your Wi-Fi is turned on and you're selecting the correct network with the right password. Still no luck? Move closer to your router to improve signal strength. For more advanced troubleshooting, head to your phone settings. Go to Connection and Sharing and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Don't forget to check for software updates. Updating your phone might just fix those pesky Wi-Fi bugs. Try connecting to a different network. This helps identify if the issue is with your phone or the router. If the problem persists, check your router. Make sure it's working well and see if other devices are having similar issues. Finally, if needed, contact your internet service provider to check for outages. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your phone, but remember to back up your data first. And there you go.